The stars are here for Aunt Mary, Miss Angelica, and Sir Sandro. Welcome, Sir Red Carpet.
Oh my God, they're here! This is Angelica Panganiban's comeback. And of course, reunited sila ni Sanjo Manudo. Oh my God, they're here! See Angelica. Please greet everybody again.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat for being here. At very, very excited kami. Sana pare-parehas tayo ng nararamdaman.
Z!
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa Almeri. Kahit naman traffic muna nandito kayo ngayon para sa program namin. Yes, sana magustuhan yung pelikula sa World 24.
And of course, Eugene Domingo!
Magandang gabi po. Ano po ang papanoorin natin sa December 25? Very good children.
Ganda ng kulot ng buhok, ha? Tom Rodriguez!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ika-copy-paste ko lang sinabi nila, please, sa December 25 po, huwag niyo palalampasin ang Aunt Mary.
Thank you, Tom. Solen, please greet everybody!
Hi everyone! Advance Merry Christmas! At ito ang regalo namin para sa inyo, Aunt Mary.
And of course, Zach!
Hello everyone. I hope you enjoy our movie and please watch it December 25. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Zach. Angge, how does it feel? Mapapanood na namin in a few minutes.
Kung ano-ano nang nararamdaman ko, huwag na natin kalkalin. Ako ibang lumabas.
Pero ano yan, nervyos, excitement, lahat.
Yes, lahat talaga. Lahat. May positive, may negative. You're parang anxious mo, restless mo, but lahat ng ganun is because I'm very, very excited.
Angge, we're excited also. This is your comeback!
Comeback na comeback.
Comeback na to. Let's pose for photos. Isang group photo lang before we go inside Cinema 6. Attorney Joji Alonso. Nag-hi lang naman. Hindi ba kita papaakyatin on stage? Paakyatin daw. Isang picture, Attorney Joji. Wala ka nang magagawa. Tinawag na kita on mic.
Trinoma Cinema 6, let's give it up for the cast of Aunt Mary!
Isang group photo lang. Ayan, let's have a group
Got a
photo.
special photo op for them.
Again, please post this online. Malaking help to para to promote the film. Starting on December 25 ang Aunt Mary. Kaway-kaway lang daw for video. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Let's go now inside Cinema 6. Angelica, ito na.
Rosa